Welcome to Drinks Made Easy. If you're a returning viewer, you might be wondering where the hell Paul is. Well, he's on vacation, and so you're stuck with me. Sorry. And if you're a first timer, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you can see Paul in all his glory. I'll wait. All right, today I'm going to show you how to make the Blue Lagoon cocktail. A very beautiful? No, sexy. Oh, that just sounds creepy coming out of my mouth. Well, anyway, it's a great drink for you and a significant other. Or in my case, you just make it for yourself, at home, alone, and wonder where it all went wrong. To make your Blue Lagoon, first thing you're going to do is add 1.5 ounces of vodka with 4 ounces of lemonade, or a half cup. Put it into a shaker tin full of ice and give it a good shake. Strain your vodka and lemonade mixture into a hurricane glass filled with ice. And then you're going to drizzle your 1.5 ounces of blue Curacao over the top to give it that sexiness. I really shouldn't say sexiness. To give it that cool look. You know, sexy just doesn't sound good coming out of my mouth. Garnish with your lemon wheel, and then pop in a little cherry. And voila, there you have your Blue Lagoon, and I have no idea why I'm using a really crappy French accent. Cheers from Drinks Made Easy. If you like this video, make sure you give us a like, a comment, and a subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified anytime we make a new video. And remember to always drink responsibly, because everybody likes to make friends, but nobody likes to make them in a prison shower. And then don't ask me how I know that. I just do.